So what's going on with gamma radiation? Gamma radiation occurs when you have a nucleus that it's not exactly unstable. It's not going to break apart, but it's in a situation where the protons and neutrons are not in their most stable position. They are a little bit out of lines, a little out of sorts, and they want to drop into a lower energy, more stable configuration. But in order to go into a lower energy configuration, you need to release a bunch of energy, and that's what happens. So here's just regular carbon-12, but it's going to release a gamma particle. Now the gamma particle has no charge and no mass. It's light. You remember gamma rays from learning about the electromagnetic spectrum. You got radio, microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and then gamma rays. Gamma rays are the highest energy, and it also makes them very dangerous. It has no charge, it has no mass, but it is incredibly dangerous because it has tremendous amounts of energy. Gamma rays can penetrate clear through your body. When they hit your DNA, they can break the DNA molecules apart. There's no guarantee that when your cells put them back together, they're going to put it back together the right way. It's very difficult to shield yourself from it because it is such a high energy form of light. But let's see what actually happens to the atom. So it starts out as carbon-12, and in this case, you've lost 0, so it's still got a mass of 12. No protons have turned to neutrons or anything, so you still have 6 protons. It's still carbon, but just carbon at a carbon nucleus that's a little more stable and a little lower energy. Now, when do you get gamma decay? You tend to get it when you have a newly formed nucleus. So, for example, right after beta decay or alpha decay, a nucleus of one element has changed into the nucleus of another element, but things aren't necessarily where they want to be, so they rearrange themselves and release a little energy, and you get gamma decay. Or in the sun, when hydrogen fuses to make helium, and then helium fuses to make other heavier elements like carbon-12 or oxygen-16, they tend to be in a higher level, and they have to reconfigure themselves into a lower energy, more stable nucleus of the exact same elements, and also after nuclear bombs. When you have a nuclear bomb, you get a parent nuclei, which is split into what they call daughter nuclei, and those new nuclei will have to reconfigure if they don't decay into other stuff. So that is gamma radiation. By the way, it will not give you superpowers, it will kill you. So just be wary of that. Don't seek the stuff out.